So we realized back in, probably 2002, just how important the human resource component in our team was here at Service Thread. We've always worked hard to try to have the best group of people that we can. But we really realized just how important that was as we got into more and more advanced materials and more engineering. It became crucial that everybody had the right training.
Service Thread's Employee Assistance Program, I've attained my master's degree where they pay 100% for books and tuition. We offer our employees a great deal of benefits, including medical, dental, vision, life insurance, and 401k.
I was encouraged by Service Thread to go get my MBA via their Education Assistance Program. And one of the great benefits of that, and ways that I benefited from it, was being able to work and learn at the same time.
I began as a second shift supervisor. Service Thread offered many opportunities for me, including the EAP program, which I went back and got my master's degree.
I went to work at Service Thread about 2 years ago. I got my start at our production facility, worked there for about a year, learned the ins and outs of the business. After that point, transferred to our distribution facility. I learned a little bit more about the business, shipping, receiving, customer service, which led me to my current role as a sales account manager.
So what our goal is, if it's systems, if it's machinery, and most importantly, if it's people, is to continue to evolve, to continue to take advantage of what's available now. To that end, we were able to give all of our employees Chromebooks in December of last year.
You have to be very disciplined, and which that translates well with Service Thread because we have specifications we have to go by. You can't cut any corners.
For us, innovation is a daily exercise. This isn't a one and done program. We continually do that. I like to tell people, if you come visit Service Thread today and come back a year from now, I hope it looks completely different.